Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to link your Google account to the IMO app on your phone. This process will allow you to back up your chats easily and make sure all your messages and contacts are safely stored. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then select the Settings option from the menu. After entering Settings, tap on Chat. Then, from the list of options, tap on Chat Backup. After that, click on Google Account. Then click on Continue. If a permission prompt appears, tap on Settings. Your phone settings will open. Then, select Permissions. Tap on Contacts and choose Allow. Once permissions are granted, go back to the IMO app settings and tap on Google Account again. Next, select the Google account you want to link from the list of available accounts. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping on Continue. Your Google account will now be successfully linked to the IMO app, and your chat backup will be ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.